Today's focus will be on the Persona Builder PowerUp. Personas are used to create a shared understanding of your customer, including their goals, capabilities, motivations, and preferences.
So what is customer experience? It's the entire ecosystem of how your customers interact with your agency and brand. Under Overview, you'll see that there is actually a description of what Persona Builder is. It walks you through creating user personas. So you create the name of your person, you select them in that order, click Next. Age, I will give this individual the age of 37. And I would say that this individual has their master's degree. Slide these in whichever way you want that actually depicts your customer best, okay? Over here, you can see which team member modified them, and the beauty of this platform. As a team, as a startup, you can resume where they left. It's really exciting because this is a startup and you want to make sure that you're fully collaborative all the time.
Coming soon with StartupOS, we'll be releasing to founders on your dashboard our StartupOS Score. This score serves as an indicator not only for you, but it also is an indicator to investors. More to come in future webinars here and communications around our StartupOS Score. In the meantime, though, again, log in, access the value of great features like our Persona Builder and other power-ups to help move your startup forward.